up video. It's been quite a while since I made one of these. Very long time. But we are creating today these beautiful, I just finished stamping them so they're a little glittery, but they are tea tree oil and eucalyptus, and they are not vegan. So go ahead and make that clear right now. You can definitely substitute some of the ingredients that I am creating today. I will make a vegan version next, so that way everybody has a way of creating the soap. And that is how I created this beautiful soap right here. Voila. So each one has its own little design. I did add the little flowers of spearmint up top. That way you guys can check those out. And these guys are not quite ready for their test. I just cut them today and I stamped them. All that's left for me to do now is just to... wait for these guys to be completely done with the soap on it. That word. It's ready for them to be ready to be used. So I'm going to give them 4 weeks and see if they will be ready within 4 weeks. So far it seems very smooth. It smells really good. That's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you try out this recipe, please let me know down below what you thought about it. If you would do anything different, let me know in the link. Maybe I will try that in my next video. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.